Okay, today I'm going to show you how to move some stuff. Sometimes some people don't know what to move, or just move it by buckets or do it like by shovel. There's other ways to do it if you don't have a wheelbarrow. I have a wheelbarrow, but it has a flat tire, so I use the mat or the tarp or the cardboard method. You can either dump it on the cardboard here, and then like dirt or tree pilings or whatever you have that's heavy, and then you can move things. You can also use this for like furniture and bureaus in your house. You can put this down, or a big towel, and put it underneath, get the legs underneath a couch or a chair or a desk underneath the towel and slide it across the floor. That helps. That's one way to do it if you don't have a dolly. But this, for the outdoor event today, you could either use this, you could put your dirt, which is here, I put on my tarp, but you can put it on a piece of cardboard if you don't have a tarp, and put it on a big piece of cardboard and just put enough on there that you can handle, and then drag it to the spot you want to dump it, lift it up and dump it. It's that simple. So I'm going to show you right now real quick here what I've done. This was my turtle sanctuary here for my turtle Frankie, and there was a big mound there, and Frankie didn't like the mound. She likes it flat, so we've gotten rid of the mound, and now I put the dirt onto the tarp, as you can see here. And it's pretty easy. All you have to do is grab the tarp like this and just drag it. There's no way I could pick this up in a bucket, but follow me please. And you just take it over here to where you want to dump it. My dumping side is over here because I want to put some dirt around my palms so they will hold more water. And then you just keep on pulling it. And this is my pile I already have before. And you just lift the tarp up, grab some more, lift the tarp up, grab some more, lift the tarp up, grab some more, lift the tarp up, and pull out. And there, I've moved a bunch of dirt out of the way with just a tarp. Same thing you can do with a piece of cardboard, but like I said, with furniture in the house, you can use a big towel, put it underneath the legs of a desk, a big heavy desk, and you can slide it across the tile floor. Carpet might be a little bit difficult, but at least it'd be better than tearing up the carpet. You put it on the towel and just drag it, have somebody push it from behind, and you drag it from the other end, and you can get things moving around the house. But for this, for moving objects like cuttings, pieces of large stumps of trees, to dirt, this is a great way to do it. Hope it works for you.